The advancements of technology and electronics are impressive. Phones, laptops, video games, social media and other forms of communication that make it easier for us to communicate with each other when we are apart or entertain ourselves when we are bored. They are a blessing. They are good things.
Oh, come in.
Come in.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
These guys are very busy with their budgets. Can't hear because they have also plugged things in their ears.
I brought you a gift. Would you like to open it?
It's not hearing you. It's not hearing you. What is it, my dear?
No, it's nothing. It's not you.
So when are we cutting the cake?
Soon, Dad. Hold on a minute.
Himself is not interested.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
It's
to
not hearing
you.
It is.
Happy.
Oh, my chest, my chest.
What's happening
my
to
chest.
you? What's happening to you? Somebody help your grandpa. Help grandpa, please. Somebody. Help your grandpa.
Honey, please tell Dad to stop pretending.
Dad, stop pretending.
I think we go. Nobody wants us to.
But like all good things, we tend to overuse or abuse them, and this is detrimental to our face-to-face human interactions and relationships.
Bye.
Bye.
Let us not forget how important direct human interaction is. Let us make sure we pay more attention to the people in front of us.
What? Where's my cake? Jeremy, did you take my cake?
I didn't take your cake.
Where is the cake? Where is Grandma?
Likewise, let us teach our children the importance of paying attention to people around them. For it is easy for these little ones to drift into their devices and affect their behaviors towards people as they grow up. Let us make a difference.